Welcome to Triposity, November 9, 2023. China, an ancient land with a millennia of traditions, and as the Lunar New Year unfolds, a tapestry of customs come to life, each echoing stories of yesteryears and aspirations for tomorrow. Join us as we journey through the top 20 traditions that define the Chinese New Year. Let's get started. Number 1. Spring cleaning. The tradition of spring cleaning in preparation for the new year is symbolic of a practice in many cultures. It represents more than just a surface level tidying of homes. It serves as a metaphorical cleansing of the past year's troubles and negative energies. In essence, it's a collective effort to make room for the fresh start and new opportunities that the approaching year promises. Number 2. Decorating with red and gold. The prominent use of red and gold during celebrations serves as a powerful symbol in many cultures. Red, known for its association with happiness and good fortune, adds a sense of joy and positivity to the atmosphere. Gold, on the other hand, signifies wealth and prosperity, reinforcing the belief in a financially successful year ahead. The combination of these two colors not only sets a festive and auspicious tone, but also acts as a protective barrier against evil spirits and bad luck, ensuring a harmonious and fortunate start to the year. Number 3. Reunion dinner. The reunion dinner on the eve of the new year holds deep cultural significance, bringing families together from both near and far. While the delicious dishes are a culinary delight, they are also laden with symbolism, representing various hopes and wishes for the year ahead. Beyond the food, this gathering is a powerful affirmation of family bonds, a moment when generations unite to celebrate their shared heritage and the promise of a harmonious and prosperous future. It encapsulates the essence of togetherness and the importance of family. Feasting on special foods. In the rich tapestry of New Year traditions, certain dishes hold indispensable roles. Dumplings, with their distinctive shape, symbolize wealth and prosperity, making them a must-have during the celebrations. Whole fish typically serves as the centerpiece and is a potent symbol of abundance, reinforcing the wish for a bountiful year ahead. Glutinous rice cake carries special significance, signifying the desire for rising fortunes and a hope for a better and more prosperous year. Number 5, giving red envelopes. The Hongbao, or red envelopes filled with money, hold great anticipation, especially among the young. While they represent a monetary gift, these envelopes carry a deeper and more profound meaning. They symbolize the passing of blessings from one generation to the next, embodying the wishes for good fortune, prosperity, and well-being. This cherished tradition not only brings joy to the recipients, but also reinforces the bonds between different generations, emphasizing the value of family and the sharing of blessings in the celebration of the new year. Number 6, setting off firecrackers. The tradition of setting off firecrackers with their loud booms is a time-honored custom that marks the arrival of the new year. While its origins are rooted in the legend of driving away the mystical beast, today this practice symbolizes the act of casting out the old and embracing the vibrancy and fresh beginnings of the new year. It represents a collective and spirited effort to ward off negativity, welcome a positive change, and create an atmosphere of energy and renewal, setting the tone for the year ahead. Number 7, lion and dragon dances. This mesmerizing lion and dragon dance are captivating displays of skillful coordination and artistic expression. Rooted in the ancient lore and tradition, these performances are more than just entertainment. They are believed to carry a profound cultural significance. These dances are thought to usher in good luck and prosperity while simultaneously dispelling negativity and evil spirits, making them an integral part of New Year celebrations that holds a deep cultural and spiritual meaning. Number 8, worshiping ancestors. Honoring one's ancestors is a fundamental and deeply meaningful tradition during the Chinese New Year celebrations. Families come together in a solemn yet heartfelt manner to pay homage to their forebears. They present offerings and express their gratitude for the guidance and wisdom that has been passed down through the generations. This act is believed to strengthen the familial bonds and seek their blessings and protection of the ancestors for the year ahead, emphasizing the significance of cultural continuity and the enduring connection between past, present, and future generations. Wearing new clothes. The custom of wearing new clothes, particularly in the auspicious color red, is a symbolic act of renewal and transformation. It embodies the belief of leaving behind the old and embracing the promise of a fresh start in the new year. Red, being color associated with good fortune, also serves to ward off any lingering remnants of bad luck, making it an essential part of the New Year tradition that radiates positivity and optimism. This practice reflects cultural aspiration for a clean slate, welcoming new opportunities. Number 10, visiting temples. Temples take on a central role during the new year. Celebrations become bustling hubs of spiritual activity and devotion. The atmosphere inside these sacred places is infused with the scent of burning incense and the collective hope of those in attendance. People gather to offer their prayers and wishes for a year marked by peace, good health, and prosperity. The act of visiting temples during this time is a powerful expression of faith and a desire for a harmonious and successful year ahead, making it a vital component of the New Year traditions. The Lantern Festival. The 15th day post-New Year culminates in the Lantern Festival, a time when lanterns ascend the skies, carrying with them dreams, wishes, and the light of hope. 12. Avoiding taboos. Certain actions and words considered inauspicious are avoided. Sweeping, on New Year's Day for instance, is believed to sweep away good fortune. Oranges and tangerines. Oranges and tangerines are more than just fruits. They're symbols of fullness and wealth, giving them the wish for one's prosperity. Traditional New Year markets. Traditional markets spring up, offering everything from festive foods to decorations. A carnival-like atmosphere prevails, marking the heart of celebrations. Zodiac signs and horoscopes. And of course, the zodiac. Each year is governed by an animal sign, influencing the year's fortune. Horoscopes are based on signs that are eagerly consulted, setting the tone for the year. The giving of New Year couplets. Poetic couplets written on red paper adorn the entrances of homes. Not only are they visually stunning, but they convey wishes for prosperity, happiness, and good fortune in the coming year. Staying up late on New Year's Eve. The tradition of staying up late on New Year's Eve is believed to bless the elders with longevity. It is also a cozy time for families to be together, waiting to usher in the new year. Avoiding forbidden words. Words carry power. During the new year, certain words associated with bad luck or misfortune are deliberately avoided. Speak positively, and positive things will come. Visiting friends and neighbors. The days following New Year's Day are for social visits. Friends and neighbors open their doors, exchanging greetings and gifts. It's a heartwarming display of community kinship. Setting free animals. A deep tradition rooted in Buddhist principles, setting animals free, commonly fish or birds, signifies a letting go of captured fortune to make space for even greater blessings. From deeply spiritual rituals to heartwarming family gatherings, the Chinese New Year is a symphony of traditions. Through this journey, we've seen not just how China celebrates, but how it cherishes its rich tapestry of customs. As the celebrations continue, we at Triposity wish you all a prosperous year. See you next time. Triposity, November 9th, 2023.